Something I'm worried about. There's no instructions.
Bomboclat Rastafari rice. Alright everyone, so we're on our way to pick up the Ocam roof rack today. Hopefully we'll unbox it. I don't know if this is going to turn into a video or not, but I decided to go ahead and purchase an Ocam roof rack simply because they had a good deal on, and I got it with my bull bar, which I already picked up and installed. You guys would have seen that video already. I just picked up the roof rack. Let's go unbox it.
All right, so here it is. There's two. Now this is not heavy at all. I thought this was gonna be way heavier. I picked this up from the Epping store. It was very busy. It was raining. We're gonna have a crack. Once we get this on, we'll be able to put the rooftop on so that we can go camping. This is the big box. If it's too hard to do, then I won't do it today. But we're gonna give it a crack. Trusty combination knife, as you would have seen in my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, where I tell you how to pack one of these toolkits, click in the top right hand corner. So some sort of Chinese thing. I guess this is sealant. 25 degrees. Yep, it looks like sealant. Nothing else in there. All of the necessary bolts, I assume. We have these, which are more brackets. And then finally, the proper brackets. So, something I'm worried about, there's no instructions. Hopefully the website has some instructions on it. If it doesn't, we're in trouble. All right guys, quick break from the video. If you guys want to cop one of these Oxedo Jump Pack air compressor units, it'll be the first link in the description. Use code HUME4x4 at checkout for a big discount. Let's go. All right, so we've got some bolts, and we've got some brackets, and we've got these two things, which are obviously the long brackets that your roof rack sit on. You also got these spacers, so I guess you use one on each, which makes sense. And then we also got these brackets, which obviously they sit on each corner. And then with this, it's gonna be probably this way. I'm guessing. So I need to take my roof liner off, which is obvious. I knew that. I don't think I have all the tools to do that. All right, let's go look up the guide on how to do this, because I've got everything set up here. I've got that there. Now, I'm 85% sure I got to drill through this part, not this part, but I'm gonna go look up the tutorial and see how we go. Right, so this is what I figured out so far. We've got the roof rack here, right? And essentially these long bars go onto here, and it's got, I forget what it's called, but one of these style things. This big rail slides in like that. You turn this until it starts to grip it. Same with this side. What I'm gonna do is put cardboard on each of these and tape it. That way I get a rough idea of the positioning that I want to put this on. I also need to take the roof liner off, drop it
Now you can rivet these in, but they say that if you rivet, you can't do the maximum payload. Like, you have to be careful with what you put on it. And since this might be taking some of my roof top tent load, I need these to be legit. I don't know how fun this is going to be. I've done these at work, but I can't exactly remember the tools that we need, because hopefully there's no Torx bits. But yeah, we've got to drop this whole thing down at least so we can see what we're working with. So once this is dropped down, I'll get back to you. Put the roof liner off. This is a bit of a mess here, but yeah. So make sure you know where everything goes. But this is fairly easy, to be fair. This one, there is screws underneath the plastic thing. You've got to take this off, then the screws. If you don't do that, you'll break it. I started to crack it and then I heard a crack and I stopped. So yeah, make sure you take those two Phillips out. But essentially, we've got enough room under here now, and the back too. So I think it is there because we've got an airbag here. Well, obviously we can't go into that. But the closest next thing to the frame is going to be right here. So now all we have to do is get it on, line it up. I've still got to put the cardboard onto the thing so I don't scratch the fuck out of it. And then we have to figure out basically how these things go. This or this, I don't know yet. So, alright, what's up? It's the next day and we've got the roof rack on here. So, I was up a little bit late, but I think it came good. What I'm thinking about doing is actually dropping this and drilling my own hole so it sits even lower. Because the ones I've seen on the website, they sit quite low. And you can see here, it's quite a big difference. Now I've got this shit bar up there that I made myself, but I'm not totally happy with it. I would rather sit my rooftop flat on here and flat here, but that's probably about a good inch and a bit difference. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think I should do. But yeah, that's going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching, appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and click in the top right hand corner for my NP300 playlist from start to finish.